Downgrading a YouTube Premium subscription isn't as easy as upgrading one. Let's explore how to downgrade your YouTube Premium subscription in this video. Firstly, navigate to your Premium membership dashboard. Here, you will not see any downgrade option. Instead, you will have to click on the Manage Membership button and then click on Cancel Membership. This Deactivate option will take you to a screen giving you a choice to either pause or cancel your membership. Since our intention is to downgrade, we have to choose the Cancel option now. This pop-up screen is not useful for us. It's a sales pitch trying to convince you to stay. Click Next instead and continue. On the next screen, select any option and continue further. You are now fully unsubscribed. The next step is to go back to the YouTube Premium homepage and explore subscription options. Now, you will see all the lower packages, and you can choose the cheaper individual or student membership for this downgrade to take effect. That's pretty much it. You have now downgraded your YouTube Premium plan. I just wish these subscription services made it easier. Hope this short video was useful. Have a wonderful day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.